Hello, I'm on Lake Champlain right now at Bulwagga Bay Campsite in Mariah, New York, and it's a wintry day right now. It's foggy, so we can't really see the bridge, but the bridge will explode momentarily. The bridge was closed a few months ago after the Department of Transportation declared it unsafe to drive across. They're imploding the bridge and will replace it with a new one in the upcoming year. Now we're just waiting as the bridge explodes. The bridge connects Crown Point, New York to Champlain Point, Vermont, and it goes across Lake Champlain, which is one of the largest lakes in the country. It is between the states of New York and Vermont and goes all the way up to, through Canada. Unfortunately, the weather's bad today, so we can't really see the bridge.
I can. I see the bridge.
Thousands of people have come here today,
Anyways, I see the bridge.
eager to watch this bridge implode.
That way. Straight that way. So do I. I see it. It's slow. Yeah, look. You can see it just go up a little.
Look at all the birds going.
That's where it was.
Look at the birds.
I think the bridge has just imploded, unless there's another big boom elsewhere.
Oh, I think I see another part.
You can see many birds flying away at this time,
I think they exploded it.
and the crowd is all excited.
I think I see another part. Yeah, I see another part. I can't even see it. I can do this.
Wow, that was exciting.
See another part?
It stinks that we can't see it, though.
I can.
This is certainly a moment I'll remember for the rest of my life.